Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Ainun Wardiah Putri from class EKT 24A with NPM 244120003. Today I'm going to present a topic that all business really care about, which is factor influencing consumer behavior. This matter is Why is this topic important? Because knowing that influence people to buy something help companies decide better product, better marketing strategies, and better customer experience. So today I walk you through the four major factors that shape customer decision. Before we go deeper, let's understand what customer behavior actually means. Customer behavior is basically the entire process that someone goes through when they want to buy something. They recognize a need, look for information, compare product, make a purchase, and later evaluate whether they made the right choice or not. Now the process may look simple, but in reality is shaped by many different factors. Some factors come from outside the person like their culture or social class, others from inside the person like their personality or emotions. So consumer behavior is something very complex and interesting. What is consumer behavior? When someone decides to buy a product, there are always reasons behind it. Maybe they need, maybe they saw a recommendation, maybe their friends are using it, or maybe they just like the brand. Consumer behavior help us understand all those reasons. It includes how people identify problems, search for solutions, evaluate alternatives, and make choices. It even includes what they think after buying, whether they are satisfied or not. By understanding this, companies can predict what customers want and create products that match their needs. Cultural factor. The first major factor is culture. Culture is basically the set of value, belief, tradition, custom, and habit that people learn from the society they live in. Culture matter is loud because it shapes what consumers consider normal or acceptable. For example, in Indonesia, many people prefer halal food because of religious value. In Japan, consumer priorities cleanliness and neat packaging. So culture gives people a certain mindset, and that mindset influences what they choose to buy. Culture factor. Culture affects consumer in many ways. For example, value and belief guide their preference, like halal food choice in Indonesia, traditional and custom influence purchasing during religious celebration or traditional event. Different ethnic group or subculture have unique tastes. For example, Japanese, Batak, or Minang people may prefer different food style, and foreign culture also influence consumer trends like Korean skincare, K-pop fashion, or Japanese so culture shape or like, dislike, and buying pattern. The second factor is social class. Social class is determined by things like income, occupation, education level, and social status. Why does social class matter? Because people in different classes have different lifestyle. For example, someone from the upper class may buy luxury brand like Gucci or Louis Vuitton, while sometimes someone with lower income may choose more affordable and practical options. Social class affect what how people buy, how they buy, and where they buy. Influence people daily behavior. For example, office workers often buy formal clothes while market vendors prefer simple and comfortable outfit. Education also play a role. People with higher education tend to pay more attention to product quality, brand reputation, and safety. Someone from a higher social class may spend money on experience like fine dining or traveling, while someone from a lower class priorities basic needs. So social class doesn't just affect purchasing power, it affects taste, lifestyle, and preference. Next, we have personal factor. These are things that are unique to each individual. Even two people from the same culture and some social class may have completely different preferences. Personal factors include age, occupation, lifestyle, income level, personality traits, and even life experience. This explains why some people love trying new products while others stick to the same brand all the time. Personal factor, for example, a child wants two toys but an adult wants household item or gadget. A student buys notebook, book, and snack, while a business professional buys formal clothes and work tools. Someone living an active lifestyle may buy sportswear, protein drink. Income also matters. If someone earns more and they can buy a premium product, and personality plays a huge role. Adventurous people love trying a new brand while conservative people prefer familiar, trusted products. So personal factors make each customer unique. The last category is psychological factor. These factors come from within the customer and influence how they think, feel, and make decisions. They include perception, motivation, learning, belief, and emotion. For example, perception determines how someone sees a brand, whether they think it's high quality or low quality. Motivation influenced by behavior might buy something to satisfy a basic need or to feel better emotionally. This internal process really shapes how customer reaction to product. Break psychological factor down. Perception affect how to consumer view product quality, decide or price. Motivation encourage customer to take action like buying something to feel confident or reward. Learning comes from experience. If customer had a good experience with a brand, they're likely to buy again. Emotions play a big role too. People might shop to relieve stress, celebrate something, or cheer themselves up. And social influence like friends, family, or community also help shape attitude and trend. So psychological factor can strongly impact how consumers behave. What's important to understand is that these four factors do not work separately. They influence each other and create a completely picture of a consumer. For example, a person's culture shapes their value, their social class shape their lifestyle, their personal factors shape their individual preference, and their psychological factors shape their feelings and thoughts. So when a consumer makes decision, it's not just one factor, it's combination all these influence working together. So to conclude, consumer behavior is influenced by culture, social class, personal, and psychological factors. All four work together to shape how people think, feel, and choose products. For companies, understanding this factor is extremely important. It helps them decide better marketing strategies, create product people want, and build strong relationship with their customer. That's why studying customer behavior is so valuable, not just for market, but for everyone. But for anyone who wants to understand how and why people make buying decisions. That's all my video today. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.